What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Craft YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you where to buy custom DTF transfers. All right, the first vendor is Ninja Transfers, and they offer free shipping over orders of $99 with the option of expedited shipping as well. They have 3 different gang sheet options, and they offer full customization services. They have a pretty good rating of 4.8 with over 1,600 reviews. They also offer supplies to where you can print your own DTF sheets at home. If you print tumblers, glasses, or cups, you might want to check out their DTF 3D Perma Sticker gang sheets, starting at $19.99. Next is FM Expressions. They offer full color graphics with no minimum setup fee. They have 4 different selections of sizes for single images, 4x4 all the way up to 11x11. They have 2 sizes for gang sheets, 12x22 and 24x22. Price ranging from $8.49 to $16.49. And for their transfers, you will need a commercial grade heat press. Irons will not work. All right, and our last vendor is DTF Transfer Wholesale. They're good to use if you want to add a little spark to your designs. They specialize in glitter DTF transfer sheets, and they offer free shipping over $200, and they will price match. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Hit the subscribe button. Follow us for more free game.